I'm Bob. I'm going to show you today how to put on mascara and cover up these pesky bags underneath your eyelids. No, I'm just kidding. I'm at the train show. The gymnasium at Lakota West High School is huge, and so are the layouts that are on display. Toy trains come in a wide range of sizes, but my favorite is O-scale, so that's mostly what you'll be seeing today. This is a modular layout that comes apart in sections, but think about how much time is needed to set this up. Bringing it all in the night before, making sure that the wiring is correctly connected, the placement of the buildings and cars, running the trains themselves, and then beginning at 5 p.m. on Sunday, taking it all apart before students return on Monday morning. That's quite a job. I've always liked the little automobiles and trucks that are compatible with Lionel-sized trains. I like these even more now because they take up less space than the trains, so I have more room at home. Or at least, it's not filling up as quickly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be showing you my bargains in the next video. So until then, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.